Good care for.
They said put it on a pole too, like on a, like 4x4 fence post,
Yeah.
instead of actually on
Fred
a
Allen has
fence
had some,
or a tree.
Fred Allen has had some great luck with bluebird houses. And they're just on the other side of the swimming pool. Not quite even to the middle of the yard, but he has to go out and clean those houses out about at least twice a year. And as soon as he gets it cleaned out, some of them come back and then, or else other ones come in.
The lady's name is Joy, the teacher name. You know, we're trying to get Joy to come back and do that for us. We have enough new campers to hear the story of how the bluebirds actually take care of each other and how the father helps teach them to fly, the fledgling process, and they'll hold a worm up in a limb, and the little birds jump up there, and he'll go a little higher. Very active.
He feeds the female too when she's there.
Oh yeah, takes care of mom when she's on the nest. As a matter of fact, when she has to go out to take care of lady business, he'll actually sit on the nest for a little while she goes out and takes care of her business. So it's a great story. Love Camp Bluebirds. Love bluebirds.
Well, that's so neat because you're saying that they built the birdhouses because they were coming, extinct. That's the way with cancer patients. Used to you get cancer and that was pretty much a death sentence. But now look at cancer survivors. That's pure because of the love y'all put into us and the doctors and the medicine and stuff. We're surviving.
We're going to survive. We're going to survive.
Being strong.
Yeah. I just love watching the bonding that takes place with the campers when they come in. A lot of them are scared, I'm going to tell you. Oh, they talk about when they're at home, they've got cancer, and everybody walking around like on eggshells. Mama's got cancer, her sister's got cancer. It's like, don't touch her, she's got cancer and all that stuff. And then they come out here and, oh, you have cancer? So do I. Buddy, how many cancers have you had?
3.
Just 3? Yeah.
I'm not shooting for a 4th.
No. Three's good. Three's good. But he's been a survivor. When I first heard that he had cancer, and I said, oh man, we don't want to lose Buddy. You're going to lose Buddy. He's a fighter. He's a fighter. And you are too. Okay, we'll entertain a few more questions. Did we cover most things, or is there some more things you'd like to hear about?
When first time I had cancer, I woke up and I saw some nurses from Providence and from Camp Bluebird standing at the foot of my bed. And my first thought was, oh God, I must be sicker than I thought. My second thought was, hey, I get to go as a camper. And Cindy DeLacer said, no,
It did not happen.
You'll get well tomorrow.
Yeah. Speedy recovery. You have work to do. Oh, we have a question. One more question.
No, not question, one more sneeze.
Okay, Mary?
What about money donations to Camp Bluebird? If somebody wanted to donate money.
Yeah.
They can.
Donate, I did this a lot at one time. I'd get the envelopes and every time a friend passed away or a family member or something like that, I would write a check in there, send it to the Promise Foundation in their memory. And the foundation did an annual letter and they list all these things. And you put on that for Camp Bluebird. I'll get some of those envelopes and have next time. That's a great way to do it because you can get a card from the hospital from the foundation that says that your family member was memorialized at the foundation. We've received funds in your honor. It's just a great thing to do. Flowers got so expensive, I'm gonna get on the floors. We don't have to do the floors $20. Okay. But it's a
I
great
see
thing.
a florist out there. I don't like to talk about what I don't do with my money.
But yeah, that's even now. I mean, if you wanted to send a donation in memory of someone near and dear to you. I've often said, what a great way in your obituary to say, you in lieu of flowers, please make donations to the Promise Foundation and Attention Camp Bluebird. And that's another way because it does cost a lot to run camp, and nobody's complaining about that until we get to looking at what we want to do. We like to get the horses out frequently, and the people that bring those horses eat more than I do. So they have to bring those horses out, so we raise funds for that. Some other things we've done, buddy, hot air balloons. People have brought a hot air balloon, the guy tethered it, people would get up, and I didn't get down there and do that, and if it ever comes back, I'm just gonna get in there and just stay and do it several times.
I'm not gonna call any names, but the hot air balloon thing, from now on, we're gonna notify everybody way ahead of time, because the balloons had a little problem getting off the ground. I didn't call your name. So we'll have to know in advance and be prepared for the ascension of the balloons.
You refer to me, buddy?
No. Andy?
My question is, have you been involved in any significant scandals at camp, or maybe practical jokes?
Yes, sir.
Andy, we have a slogan at camp, what goes on at camp stays at camp. I can't divulge any information like that.
We know that you are at camp, so.
Well, there might be some strangers in here with recorders.
Don't allow that to happen. I did see one time, I don't know how it happened, I think they raided Claudia's room and she wasn't in there. And Buddy Wilder, what did you came and showed everybody, we got to see, what was that?
Well, Elvis was coming to see us that night. We really were looking forward to it. And I'm thinking about in the shows I've seen him do, the different things he did. So I began a search for ladies' underwear. But I had in mind a special size. And nowhere that I went could I find it. I'm talking about from Dollar Tree to Ladies Large and Tall, or whatever the name of it. And so I stretched those panties over my coffee table, and I wrote "Love Claudia" across the back end, and I gave them to Elvis. So in the process of his show, he starts pulling these panties out, one pair, and he's got these panties out, and he holds them up. Everybody can see. It says "Love Claudia." Well, we kind of move around. You'll see us during some of the activities. We kind of move around to see if anybody needs help or anything. And I just happened to be near Claudia when he did it. I did not know when he was going to do it. And I sat down next to her, and he did his little number. And she said, "I bet Renee did that." Sounds like something she would do. So I finally, first time I kept my mouth shut. And I let Renee take the blame for it.
Somebody else wanted to.
Joe, I like the time we got to go zip lining. That was quite.
Zip lining, oh boy, that is something, yeah. You know, you got cancer, can't do anything, and we do plan activities that you can do, and that was a fun one, yeah.
We went on a dolphin cruise one day. How many of you in here went to Disney World with us?
Just two, buddy.
He tells us we were supposed to go.
After we got through with the dolphin cruise, Flounder's Restaurant invited us to come in. They were having a soft opening, and they wanted their wait staff to get a little experience too, the ones that didn't have it. So they gave us a complimentary lunch. And several people, were so impressed with the dolphin cruise, they said, "What are we going to do next?" So I thought about the Disney World trip. And somebody wouldn't give us their phone number. Right? Am I giving the story right?
No, you're not getting the story. You told me you told everybody you were taking them, but nobody got a call.
I had a flip phone.
to all of us, and tell your story, tell it everywhere you go. If I'm walking in Walmart, all of a sudden some lady walk up and start hugging my neck, and my wife doesn't even bat an eye anymore. She knows it's one of my Camp Blue Earth girlfriends. And I have plenty, and I love all of you. Thank you for being at this camp. It's been a joy. Thank all the hard work. I mean, the decorations that Andy and Ashley.
And they have an assistant too, but
Yeah, what's her
she's not
name?
much help. Rita.
Rita did a great job. Okay, well, we're going to wrap this up unless you have one more question. We take one more, buddy, if we got one?
Sure. Make it simple so we look good.
Yeah.
Do you think we will ever go zip lining again?
We'll put it on the agenda. We'll see what happens, yeah. We're always looking for fun things to do.
Their staff can take care of everybody, including people in wheelchairs. They'll get you up there. You're in a harness naturally, but they will raise you up and
Well, it's on my bucket list.
She got
well, we
scared.
had some whiny people here. Most of them were the counselors.
Well, when you put it on the agenda right beside this Betty's bucket list,
On the bucket list?
that's on my bucket list to zip
Oh,
line.
okay. Well, then we can schedule it. Spring might be a good time. We'll see what we will talk about that. Well, all right. Thank you all for being here. It's been a great camp. Thank you, Mr. Alan Truitt, for recording for us.
You all did everything.